AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the micro soldering show on this beautiful Wednesday, and today we're just fixing a phone together. And we do an iPhone 7, which was mailed in by a customer because it just got no function, no boot, no power, nothing. Nothing works on that phone, and we just want to test this phone by using our beautiful ICC Pro Special Edition in green, baby, lime green. In the camera it doesn't look as lime as it is. So let's check if that phone got a problem with the USB controller IC or with the dark flags. And no, all is fine. So okay, we just continue by disassembling the phone. First I have to take a look how many charging current do we have. Okay, no charging current, no current flow. So let's check by disassembling the phone and just taking a look why this phone just doesn't want to work anymore at all. Okay, somebody already tried to open the phone. We have no clue. So somebody was already working on that, but he couldn't solve the problem because the phone is still just not working and the customer needs the important data. So for us, we just need to fix the phone. So today Andy isn't here again because he has to work at his house this week. 2 days he has to work at his house, but after that he will be back again full of health and power. So I just disassemble the screen, take DC power supply, and let's see where the problem is by just plugging in the battery FPC. Oh, it's a short on VCC main, VDD main in this case. So an error which we have solved together really a lot of times. So the main line, the main power line, or one of the main power lines in the device, in this case VDD main it's called, starting at the iPhone 7 it's called VDD main. Before it was VCC main, and other electronic devices it can be VEE main, like ever. It's just the main power line, and we got a short on the main power line because the main power line is present in the device even if the device is turned off. And that's the reason why we directly see a power supply on connecting to the battery FPC that we have a short. So in this case we could have a short on BAT VCC or on VDD main. I see it on the value of the power supply, but in 99% of the cases it's always a short on VDD main, not on BAT VCC. And here, if we would see another value at power supply, it could be a short on one we had always to, but in this case we have 5 amps directly coming in, so we have a short on VDD main or BAT VCC, and I think it's VDD main, like always on these iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus and devices like that. So I just have to take the thermal cam, and I want to take off the glue stickers on the bottom and on the top of the board, and we hope that we got a short on the back side, not on the front side, so we don't have to take out any shields by using the hot air, and we could do a fast job in this case. Yesterday we had an iPhone 7 with a stock at 30 milliamps, so it was CPU related. Today we have another basic stuff video, a short on the main power line. So let's check. Okay, and again FPC just has gone off. And here it is. It's beautiful to see. Really beautiful to see. Here. Cap
An VDD main shorted.
Shorted. Okay, let's see under the microscope if we see some visual damage, physical damage at the capacitor. And we don't see anything here. The cap looks really fine. In some cases you see it's broken, it got a scratch, or it's popped off, or it got some black color. In this case, nothing. It just looks normal. We just take a little bit of tiny flux, and I want to get out that cap as fast as possible, but I would need some good tweezers here. Okay, that has been done. My contact cleaner is empty. Like always, if I do videos, just have to take a new bottle. Here, just some contact cleaner into the dispenser, and then we just clean. Taking a picture, it's not a big job, but it's okay. I love these jobs anyway. So now we just have to replace that cap with a new one. Looks fine. Waiting a short time for cooling down. After that, just cleaning. Here, this sticker on the IC is just losing. So I just clean it completely. So, okay. Looks fine. And now I just want to check if that device works again and if the customer got a path to the important data on it or not. Okay, I just connect the home button, the screen, and the ambient light sensor, front camera flex, so we have a bright screen. And I connect the power cable and short has been gone, value looks good, and boom, back to life again. iPhone 7, just in a little short on BDD main, solved in a fast way by using the Seek Pro FF. With that thermal cam you really can find all the shorts in a really fast way, like you see. So phone is booting. I just don't know if there is any personal image on the phone or not. We wait. And after it booted, I just check for working phone. Then I just clean the board again, renew, and here you see it just works fine. Okay, renew the glue stickers, and after I put it out, and after renewing the glue stickers, I just get that phone back together and it goes back to the customer. I hope you liked the video. Anyway, it's a really short one and really basic one, but I think basic things are even okay to release on YouTube. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Border Level Repair School Germany. And if you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. Yeah, if you would like to buy this beautiful ICC Pro, just get it at icc-pro.de. It's a tool which every technician in the whole world should have. Okay, I'm out. We see us with the next video. Goodbye. Boom, back to life again. Here's Ben.